Are you ready to finally choose between ClickUp's all-in-one project management powerhouse and Coda's flexible, document-centric workspace? First, let's dissect ClickUp. It's renowned for its robust project management capabilities, offering a dizzying array of features like customizable task statuses, multiple views, and in-depth reporting. Now, shift your focus to Coda, which blurs the line between document and application. Coda's strength lies in its flexibility. It's ideal for teams that prioritize collaborative documentation and knowledge management alongside project tracking. Let's talk money. ClickUp offers a generous free plan and scales affordably, particularly for larger teams. Coda's free plan is also compelling, but paid plans might be necessary for larger teams with advanced needs. Integrations are key to a seamless workflow. ClickUp boasts a vast ecosystem of integrations, connecting with virtually every tool you already use. Coda offers integrations with key players, but may not have the same breadth as ClickUp. The best choice depends on your team. If you prioritize powerful project management and task tracking, ClickUp is a solid choice. If collaborative documentation and flexible workflows are paramount, Coda shines.